Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, I spaced. The boys are over, as you can see. And we got way farther and I forgot to start filming. So, stay tuned. We're getting the Jetta off the jack stands and we're putting it on the ground. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so let's fill you in. Logan and Andy came over a couple hours ago. We were testing and making sure that the air was working, everything was hooked up, and it wasn't. We had to troubleshoot. We had wiring issues. We had grounding issues.
Did people wear masks or no? No, no masks.
But we figured it out. We think we figured it out. Oh, who are you calling, Doug?
911.
All right, so
This car's suits.
Seriously, it's ghetto, but I had to film this for you guys. Andy, the master tire wheel technician that he is, mounted up the tires and wheels. Logan put on the rears.
And mechanical. He's also a mechanical.
He is.
Electrical.
I mean, look at my car, dude. Like, obviously, I put in a lot of work.
All right, so we're all good?
I think so.
So at this point, I think we're going to take it off the jack stands. And, I mean, we haven't heard any air leaks. Everything seems good. Compressor kicked on. Compressor's full. Things seem to be working. So, plan is now, I'll set up the tripod. We're going to attempt to take it off these jack stands that are super sky high in the air. So, sketchy. Good thing we got the good jack. Yeah, we got a good jack. So, all right. There it is. All right. Stay tuned. We'll see you guys in a second. Yeah.
You're gonna want to jack that sucker.
Okay.
It's probably gonna drop onto the jack. Slightly. I mean, yeah, it's better safe than sorry.
Alright, so turn the E on, measure the
Yep.
adjust such things.
Yes, Papi.
Alright, so
Yeah, we're about.
I definitely want to hear the insulated tanks.
Should I put them at 50, you said about?
We'll try that. If we drop it down and I can't get the jack out, we'll tear it down more. I'll drop it down really slow. What are we sitting at?
About.
Are you putting them all at 50?
Yeah, should I put them all at 50? Or not the rears yet?
That's fine. You can put it at 50. It doesn't matter either way. I'm slowly dropping.
Yeah, I was like, why is it going down? He's airing up.
It's on air, dude.
He's airing up.
Are you filming?
Yeah. That's fine. It's close?
Well, it's like,
Oh, I was gonna say, like, there's plenty of gap over here, dog. I'm like.
guys get ready to drop those jacks out to the stance.
Clear.
All right.
Yep. We good.
Toe gang. So
What?
much massive toe.
Oh, that's what they did.
Okay, go ahead now.
They're out for what?
I don't know any of these controls. Should I look them up? Because there's got to be like one button to air them out. Like I'm in manual mode.
Just do all of them.
Well, it's because you're in manual mode that you probably can't hear all of them out at once.
Alright, so should I order air the front out first? Alright, well, let's do the back first. Alright, y'all, airing out the rear. Here we go. You guys ready? Decent. That's not all the way aired out on that side.
Okay, don't. Hold on.
Hey, actually, hold up.
What's up?
Yeah, hold up, bro.
What happened?
You're on the quarter, man.
Well, I want to torque those down.
Well,
You're on the quarter
This-
on that side.
that one's got about 10. This one has 20 still. Watch your fingers.
Yeah, that's how mine goes too. It's fine.
Oh man, bro.
So mine, bro.
That's dumb. Oh my gosh, dog. That's I think I can mess with that, bro. Dang.
You can also take the spacers out if you didn't want to hit it.
Should I do the fronts?
Yeah, we just finished torquing everything down.
Good.
This makes me nervous.
Yeah, don't want wheel flying off when you get yours out. Never gonna get it back up in the air, huh?
We'll be able to air up then, would you?
What do you think about that, Logan? Andy?
Well,
Can you shove a finger in there? Can you?
no.
It's
No, it's tight.
I'd say that's slightly more than tucky. That wheel's pretty buried in there, I would say.
Scram would have been swallowed.
Yeah, but I want some
yeah.
meat, like I want a daily, you know? Oh, and it's starting to rain on us, of course.
That means I'm gonna do some drifting on the way home.
Alright, Andy is torquing these wheels down, and then we're gonna go ahead and air out the fronts, and then I'll give you guys a quick walk around here.
So pull that tire in. Dude, this is like, give me the tire. You gotta pull these big time, bro.
Are they not? Oh, snap, okay. Well, we'll do that before I wrap it. It's not, yeah, dude, it's not touched here.
Is it rolled over there?
Dude, the same. That's the same on that side. That side is how far from the other side is.
What the frick? I'll air up in the front. So I'll check this
Yo, what do you think? Should we back it out of the driveway and air it out in the driveway?
YOLO.
Then we can get a nice side angle, but yo, she's pretty dumped. Hopefully it will shift into reverse and we'll be good. So, see you guys in a sec. Yeah, get it, dog. Yeah. Hey, get it. Yeah, target. I need a little ghetto chair. All right.
is, I think.
That's it, dog. Here she is.
Batter's still good though.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, bro.
Freaking dumb, dog. If you had smaller tires, you'd definitely be sitting like fender lip. Or as close to it as you can.
I'm good with it where it is though. Like I want it tired. Bro, this car looks 10 million times cooler than even when I bought it, dude. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, well, there she is aired out. We gotta mess with the clutch shifter linkage situation here, but yo, there she is. I like how those wheels came out too, man. It looks really good. Oof.
I like how it's tucking like some good.
Yeah, I mean, dude, there's a decent amount of. Oh yeah, it's sitting on that. See how it's smashing the front tire, bro?
I
So-
would take this and just hold this out right there and there.
You'd be able to sit it better. You could probably do all that.
Alright guys, well, I suppose that's where we should end the video. It's getting dark out here. It's about to rain. We still haven't eaten dinner. We got it to a good closing point. Thank you so much to Andy. Go give him a follow.
That blue 242.
There it is. And my boy Logan. What's your IG, dog?
Oh, dude, I don't know.
Come on.
Logan.
Tagged
Yup.
right here.
Do it.
Tag right here.
Yup. What is it though?
Oh, dude, I don't remember.
You don't remember? Isn't it?
Bro, you tag it.
Logano Obakis or something? It's like
It's Logan Obama.
Logan Obakis.
Logan O. Bacchus. B-A-C-C-U-S.
Hey, now
Follow
you
it.
know your own
Tag.
IG tag, bro.
Let's get him to 1,500.
There
Come on,
it is.
boys. And get me to... Never mind, I have enough
No,
followers.
you got. Hey, you said I got enough.
Now give me 7,500.
Yeah, go check out Logan's. Look at that IS coming together. You just got it freshly painted, and you guys already know that blue 242, bro. That's that Swedish metal lifestyle right here, boy. Oh my.
That's 7 inches of lip, boys.
Oh,
7
what?
inches of lip.
Oh, that's so gross. You could lay like $3 bills side to side in there, doggy. Like you could probably lay it sideways. I don't either. I'm broke, so I spent it all on this pile of crap. Jetta. Let's get out of here. All right, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please, if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. We'd love if you'd hit the subscribe button as well. Share your video. From me and all the other Defiant Culture homies, we'll see you guys on the next one. Factory Fiction, we out. Peace.